Yes, hello guys, welcome to this tutorial. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can change your preferred network in your Android phone. So you can change your preferred network from 2G to 3G network, from 3G network to 4G LTE network. So if you didn't subscribe to this channel, please subscribe, like this video, share this video to your friends, and if you have any suggestion or issue or even question, leave it in a comment section. So without wasting time, let's get started. So now I start by opening my phone book here. Now I am going to place this code to, you see, now I'm using 3G network at the top of my network. So now you can observe here I'm using 3G network. So but I decided to change this preferred network to any other network I want to change to. So I'm going to place these codes in my phone, then I press enter. So you see this star, this hash, star hash 4636 hash star hash star. So after clicking this, you see now I'm going to access various options. So these options, from these options is this how I'm going to pass through and navigate, then access the settings where I can change my preferred network to any other network I want to change to. So now you see here is the Wi-Fi information. You see usage statistics. When you click on usage statistics, we are going to see how about your phone usage, the data about your phone, how was your phone being used. So you see these are phone information. So from this phone information is where I'm going to click and proceed with my process. So proceed with changing this preferred network in my Android phone. So now, so means I'm going to click this phone information option to access the option that I can change my preferred network information. So yes, let me click here. Yes, you see after clicking there, now I have accessed my phone information, so my phone book information now. So now what I'm going to do is this. You see now here is different options. You see voice network, you see ping host name, you see data send, you see data received. So you can see various options here, and you see this mobile radio is turned. So on, I can choose to turn off. When I turn this off, you see now at the top my data is gonna be lost. So my network is gonna be lost because I've turned off the radio in my Android phone. So let me turn this off, this one. So now you see my network is gonna come back. Yeah, you see it's gonna come back as 3G. Now to change my preferred network, I'm going to come here and click here on this. You see here in these options, I'm going to click here and change my preferred network. So now you see, let me click here this. When I click this, you see I'm going to see various network types. So various network types, I can choose to set this one, I can choose to set this one. So you see any other network I am going to put. So when I change to any other network, you will see that my network option or to my card option at the top is going to be changed or lost. So my network is going to lost because I have changed from the current network to the new network. So now, so if you want to change from 3G network to 4G LTE network, so you can also choose LTE network only. You see now, LTE network only. You see there are various network types. You can choose to set to LTE network only. So yes, you see, when you set LTE network only, means you want to set your phone to start using LTE network or 4G LTE network. So means I will be putting your 4G SIM card. So when you have inserted your 4G SIM card, then turn this option on, you can also start using 4G LTE network if your Android phone support can accept or adapt to 4G, so 4G LTE network. So now after doing this, you see now this ping host name is now nothing. It is displaying. You see now. So I am going to click this learn test. I'm going to learn test, so as I can uh, insert or allow this change to be in your phone. Now let me click this learn test. So you see now it is saying I know. So you see now ping host name. The first ping host name now is passed. You see now is passed. But this second one is failed, so it means it is failed, so this is passed. So if it is passed now, it means the host name now is successfully. So now I can also decide to use this. So you see now I'm using my 4G LTE network. So if I insert my SIM card which support 4G network, now I'm going to change it. I can also decide to change this into any other preferred network now. So for instance, I can choose to put this GCM. So when I put GCM, you see at the top my network is going lost. Now it will be connecting back. So it will be connecting back soon because I'm using GCM. So I can also set WCDMA preferred now. So now you see it is going to change now my network. So you see now everything is going to be emergency because this network type cannot be supported in my Android phone. So now see it is connecting. Yeah, now it's connected. So yes, you can also decide to choose any. Yes, let me choose LTE global network. So you wait now it to connect. Once it is connected, now you are going to start using this new type of network. So this is how you can change your preferred network in your Android phone. So thank you for watching this video. If you didn't subscribe to this channel, please subscribe, like this video, share this video to your friends, and turn on the notification bell button to get notified when we upload a new video here at No Max TV. Thank you for watching this video.